to the laptop, if you could hit the continue button for me, I appreciate it.
That's what she does, man.
All right, appreciate it though. Thank you guys. All right, so today we're working on page 80 in our packet. Okay. We are. All right, so good afternoon, both my in-person and my online class. Today we're going to be going over our last page in our review packet. It's over body system. It's a very important page, so we're going to take our time going through it, and we're going to talk a little bit about it today. So go ahead. All you need is a pencil and a highlighter. You're going to open up to page 80. I guess you really don't need a highlighter today, but I'm going to highlight or at least underline. If someone at your table has a highlighter, you won't need it very often, so at least somebody has one. We're going to highlight the systems that always show up on the STAARS test, okay? But we're going to talk about all of them, but we're going to highlight those big ones, okay? So we're going over today our body systems. Let's talk about, just list off our body systems real quick. First, we have a circulatory system, respiratory system, skeletal system, muscular system, the digestive system, the excretory system, reproductive system, integumentary system, the nervous system, and the endocrine system. Ladies, gentlemen, will you grab your seat, grab your packet out? Why are you talking? What's up? All right, just. Oh yeah, you can sit wherever. I'm more talking to him. Where's your packet? Where's your paper? Where's your pencil? Come on. All right, well, you just came back. Get to work. All right, all we're doing is just going through these systems. I was just giving you guys vocalization, the pronunciation of them, okay? First system, guys, our circulatory system. And the pictures that are here for you are not very good because they're so tiny. Yeah, they're pretty tiny. But it kind of gives you an idea of the system you're talking about, okay? All right, circulatory system, guys. The circulatory system's main function is to move blood. In parentheses, I want you to put oxygen and nutrients through your body. So the circulatory system's main purpose is to push blood through your body. Your blood carries oxygen and other nutrients, antibodies in there. So the circulatory system has a few structures, but the big ones are veins or arteries. But make sure you write down the heart. And arteries is A-R-T-E-R-I-E-S. Veins and arteries. But the big one is the heart. It's what pumps that blood through our body. Okay? Next, we have our respiratory system. Take a breath. Let it out. You just respirated. You just breathed, all right? Respiration. Taking in a gas, taking what you need out, releasing the excess. We take in oxygen, we release carbon dioxide. So your respiratory system supplies oxygen. You breathe. Your lungs, okay? Some of these structures include your lungs, your esophagus. So how's that air going to get down to your lungs, right? All right, next we have our skeletal system. The skeletal system provides support or structure for your body, right? We were just talking in my last class, they asked a question about plant and animal cells. How plant cells have cell walls. That's why they don't need bones. Plants don't have bones, right? Because their cells give them support. Our cells are animal cells. They don't have cell walls. We're squishy. Push down on your arm. It's squishy until you hit what? Your bone. Your bone is what gives you support. Without bone, we'd be like jellyfish, just blobs, right? Your skeletal system gives you structure. And this can be all your bones. Your skull, your big toe, okay? All the bones in your body, guys. That makes up your skeletal system. Bones. Next we have what goes over our bones, guys. Muscle. The muscular system.
Please pardon this interruption. Teachers, we need all of the seniors in the library at this moment. All senior teachers, we need the senior students in the library at this moment to see Mr. Polano. All seniors. Thank you.
Never good. All right. That's your muscular system, guys. It provides movement. Your bones give you support, but bones don't move by themselves. You need muscles to move that structure around. So, muscles provide movement. And the parts that make our muscle are our muscle groups. We got forearm, biceps, calf muscles, hamstrings, these tendons, these reflexors, all these are Next, we have our digestive system. Our digestive system takes in nutrients. Your stomach, your mouth, your small and large intestine. You're taking in nutrients from food. That's your digestive system. I would say the digestive system is probably, I mean, every system is important, guys, but the digestive system, if you have problems with the digestive system, you get really sick. You need to be able to take in food. You need to be able to take in nutrients. So you can feel things. Try. Next, we have our excretory system. Think of the word exit. This is stuff that you get rid of waste, right? Parts of your system that get rid of waste. But we talked about it before, guys, when we talked about physical and chemical changes in your body, right?
Why isn't that thing on there? Oh, wait, no.
So things like hair, sweat,
Don't say that. Don't say that.
anus.
You said it. I know you said it.
Scientific word for your butthole. All right, that's what it is. Well, guys, they all play an integral part of getting waste out of your body, right? We talked about the physical and chemical changes in our body. We talked about whenever food exits your body has the ability, the physical ability to open and close. That's a system. Your body knows when it's time to stop pooping. That's a system in place. Very important. You don't think about it, but if it stopped working, you sure would. Next, our reproductive system. It allows for offspring. This includes things like our testes. Ladies, it includes things like your ovaries. Gonads is another nicer way to say testes. Testes, gonads. What houses sperm. Ovaries are what houses eggs for women. Without these two parts, you can't make a baby. Okay? Our reproductive systems have very specific cells, okay, that are made for reproduction. Next, we have our integumentary system. Say that 10 times fast. Integumentary. Integumentary system. Fancy word for skin. Fancy word for skin. Can you imagine, like, without skin? I mean, you get like dirt on your muscles and tendons. Skin's important. Largest organ in our body. I think someone said that earlier. Skin. Right? And you give.
That was heavy.
Right. Next, we have our nervous system. The nervous system allows for feeling, thinking. It allows us to touch and feel what we're touching. It includes our brain, nerve endings. It allows us to think. And then last, probably the most important system to you guys right now is your endocrine system. What produces hormones. What makes teenagers buttheads. Now, it's what causes things like testosterone, estrogen. Without the endocrine system, our bodies wouldn't be able to reproduce. I mean, y'all heard the word puberty. Puberty is your body growing into its reproductive system. And the only reason that puberty takes place is because at a certain age, your endocrine system starts producing hormones. For men, we produce a number of hormones, but one of them is testosterone. For women, you produce a number of hormones, but one of yours is estrogen. We produce our own hormones that trigger reproduction. That's what I say, like, oh, crazy hormone-ridden kids. Well, when your hormones are going, your body is, well, kind of telling you it's technically time to find a mate. That's what they do with animals. Now, none of y'all are finding mates until you're married, but your endocrine system turns your body on at a certain point. Okay? Endocrine system, very important. Hormones drive a lot of things in our bodies. Our appetite, all right, fear, anger, anxiety, all right, all created through hormones in our body. All right, any questions on our body system? Any questions from anybody on our body system?
What is oh, no. I literally finished one part.
Good job.